If you want Yahoo to open every time you launch Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make Yahoo your homepage on Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want faster access to your Yahoo Mail, news, finance, or search page every time you open your browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From that menu, click Settings. That will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can control how your browser looks and behaves. On the left-hand side, click Home. This is the section that manages your homepage and new window settings. Now look for the option labeled Homepage and New Windows. Under that, click the drop-down menu and choose Custom URLs. This tells Firefox that you want to use a website of your choice instead of the default start page. After selecting custom URLs, you'll see an option to choose a specific site. Click that option, then type in http://www.yahoo.com exactly as shown. Make sure the address is entered correctly so Firefox can load Yahoo without any issues. Once you've entered the link, click Add Address. At this point, Yahoo should now be set as your homepage in Firefox. The next time you open Firefox, it will load Yahoo automatically, giving you quick access right from the start. If you ever want to change it again later, just come back to the same home settings and update the URL. And that's it. You've now made Yahoo your homepage on Firefox. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide.